Let's model a Chinese knot in SolidWorks with the help of some basic features. See, we will create this knot with the help of some equations. We will create one knot, then we will use move and copy command and make multiple patterns. Then we will make this outside with the help of 3D sketch. Let's see, you will see this structure. There are three types of body. If you see the first body, then two similar bodies. Okay, let's cancel this. Now first I'm going to apply front plane sketch. Now here I'm going to apply use equations to create one equations driven curve. Now here I'm going to choose equations type explicit. Actually, in explicit, y in terms of x, y is equal to y is trigonometric equations sine x, then y is equal to x1 plus x2. So x1 value keep 0 now, and x2 value, let's say 4 multiplied by pi, pi. Just zoom. Sorry, you have to use multiply pi. Now see, look, this is the equation we created. Now x value here 0, then 4 pi. Okay, simply say okay. Now I'm going to use feature swift boss base circular pattern and make this diameter 1.5. Now you will see the preview. Now unmerge, show preview. Okay. Okay, do one thing. Let me change color so it looks more visible. Let's say this. Okay, let's say what possible thing we can do. Okay, this is the color RGB code. Okay. Now we will create multiple copy of this. Go to direct editing, copy and move, select the body. Make sure first option is copy, we need one copy, and here I'm going to use rotate command. Now see x, y, z, which direction I want to rotate. So here I'm going to choose x direction. See x direction 180. Click and you will see one preview. I need a copy, so keep. Now here we have two copy. Now this bottom body I will move. So again go to direct editing, move and copy. Let's select this body. Uncheck. I want to move this. Use translate and direction Z, and how much value? It's pi 3.14. You will see the preview. Uncheck copy. I want to just move. Say OK. Now again I'm going to choose. Now here I'm going to select both body. I want to make one copy. Again translate, and here one body move pi, so two body move 2 into 3.14. Sorry, 2 multiply by 3.14. Look. Say OK. Now I want to make pattern in opposite direction, move copy. Now here select all 4 bodies. Choose here copy, one copy. Now here rotate. Now rotate along y-axis. Angle 90. Now you will see the preview. Make sure you selected copy. Okay. Look, the knot is created. Now we have to make outer part. We will start from this side. So choose 3D sketch, point, and place point at center point. See, this is center point. Keep cursor center point. Now this one we don't need, we need these two. Center point. If you see plus symbol, just click and place. And here also place, we need this exit. Now create some relation. Select these circle and point. First relation concentric, then click and fix. So I'm going to do this with all points. Concentric relation, then again create the fix. Okay, the last one. Even you don't need, because we already placed at center, but for a safe side, select fixed. Now here we, before going to create, we have to create a plane. So simply exit, go to feature, drop down geometry, axis. Now here select this surface and this point. Make C point and face perpendicular. Okay. Let me repeat for 4 planes. Axis. We need this face point. Okay. Now a perpendicular axis is going to create on this. Similarly repeat for 4 because I want to create some geometry here. Point and plane. Okay. Now, okay, let's I'll activate here 3D sketch. Now let me activate here spline. Connect this point to this point. Right click, select. Now let's drag these handles. We have to make this handle perpendicular on this face. So the best thing, select this axis and this handle collinear relation. Make sure the direction. Collinear, and apply some dimension to this handle, 15. Similarly do this handle 15, and let's check. Okay, perfect. Now go to feature, apply swift boss base. Here choose circular profile and make diameter. See, sketch already selected this, diameter 1.5. Uncheck merge result. Here select aligned with end faces. Merge tangent faces if possible. But okay, uncheck because I want to make a multiple pattern. Say okay. See, one side is created. Now let me choose here top plane, sketch, center rectangle. Choose here for construction. Okay, let's define some important relation. Select origin point and this line coincide. Similarly, see, we created this point. Select this coincide. Similarly, do this end also. Select this center point, line coincide, and here also center line, circle line coincide. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Make sure here place one point because we need this point for creating axis. Okay, that's why place here one point. Now this is perfect. Let me, I want to connect this one. Okay. Let me select these two, collinear plus equal. 3-point arc, draw one half circle for reference. Now select the center point of this circle and this point, merge. Okay, let's define this radius 3.5. Now this gap 3. Okay, still not defined, so we have to select this line and this line collinear. Look, it is fully defined. Make this one construction geometry. Exit. Now here comes the value 3D sketch. Select this line, convert entity. Okay, spline. Now spline you have to connect with, select this point to this point. Again this point to this point. Look, select this curve and this spline, tangent. Tangent relation, smart dimension, define some drag handle length 6.5, 6.5. Okay. Drag this handle and this line collinear. These lines should be perpendicular on this surface. That's why we create. Drag this handle, this line collinear. This is important relation. Okay. Now go to feature, apply swept boss base, circular profile and diameter of this wire 1.5. Here uncheck align with end faces. Okay. Now let me create one plane, axis, reference, top plane, and here we selected this point. Select this point. That's why we add point here. Point and face plane. You will see this axis. Okay. Now select and hide this sketch. Now I'm going to make multiple number of patterns. So I'm going to use circular pattern. For axis direction, select this axis and here choose bodies. These two body. Again we miss first body, second body. 4 number of pattern 360. Say okay. Oh, here we done. Uncheck view axis. See, this is not we created. Now let me hide this, all these sketch, hide all these sketch. Now here we have too many bodies. So let's combine, direct editing, combine, select these four body with 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is going to be add one body. Now see here the quantity going to less. Again combine, select 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one loop, add. Now here again body reduced, combine. Now this time this 2. Okay. Now see here we have only 3 body. 1, 2, 3. See, this is how we create a Chinese knot. with the help of equations and move command. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.